This is a flying cell tower, or at least it will be when my buddy gets done with it. I had no intention of putting this on YouTube, but then I did anyway. Was asked by the to put together a project with a very expensive drone that it turns out he didn't like. So he turned to me and asked me to make him an alternative. So a flying cell tower is exactly what it sounds like. It is a cell tower in the sky that provides all the data communications that you and I are used to in our day-to-day lives. In this case, a flying cell tower can be deployed in areas where data communications do not yet exist, such as remote search and rescue missions and disaster relief operations, to name a few scenarios. A cell tower in the sky greatly increases its effectiveness over traditional towers, as it is better able to send and receive signals due to fewer features on the ground, creating obstructions. A quick Google search turned up that Martin UAV and Phoenix Group may have created the first flying cell tower back in 2017. Let me know that the electronics going into this airframe will provide about 800 4G connections over a 10-kilometer radius. So here's the airframe pulled apart so I can show you guys what's going on. This is a simple 3-channel operation, so we have the elevons and the throttle. This is going to be a long-range radio bay, and he'll size that to whatever he needs for his component. Airspeed sensor, and GPS, and data downlink. So we have a carbon plate inserted here in the bottom. This will be winch launched. And here are some tubes to run the cables out to the electronics in these bays here. We have DB9 connectors for the servos. And we have these little wing locks. I just love these things. In a hard crash, they release and it protects the airframe from damage. Also, I sized the spar such that in a hard crash, this will be the first thing to break. And so that can just be replaced because it just slides out and you get you back in the air, hopefully with no airframe damage. Got our little cooling hole. Battery goes there. The electronics for the cell tower go here. This is also made out of my normal EPP, expanded polypropylene foam, and Kevlar. It's a soft covering. So this thing should have a very long life. It's very durable. It'll bend, but it won't break. Have fun. If this is your first time watching one of my videos and you are curious to know more about the method in which I construct the majority of my aircraft using expanded polypropylene and Kevlar, check out the link on the upper right that just popped up. Have a great day.